Hello, now I am going to explain a problem on contract costing, problem number 8. So APW contractor, sorry, not problem number 8, it is problem number 7. Yeah. So prepare a contract account from the following particulars. Material issued from stores 2 lakh rupees. Material purchased 1,60,000. So plant install, material issued from stores, debit side. Material purchased, this is also debit side, we will write. Plants installed at site 50,000, again debit side. Establishment charges, again it is debit side. Next, so material returned to stores. So first we issued, again it came returned back, so this will be credit side. Wages paid 1,40,000 plus accrued 20,000. So total wages paid is, total wages paid is 1,40,000 plus 20,000. Total 1,60,000 wages paid. This is expenses, debit side. Direct expenses, again debit side. Indirect expenses, debit side 14,000. So material transferred to another account. That means from this contract we are transferring to another contract. So the material got reduced. So again this credit side. Material on hand, closing materials, credit side. Now next, depreciation on plant 20%. So opening plant, how much? Opening plant is, plant installed at site 50,000. So closing, how we will get closing? 50,000 minus depreciation, we will get closing plant. So 50,000, so on that 20% means 10,000 depreciation. 50,000 minus 10,000, it is 40,000. Contract price 10 lakh rupees. Work certified 5 lakh rupees. Cost of work not yet certified 50,000. Cash received from the contractee 4 lakh rupees. So we have to prepare only, he's asking us to prepare only contract account. Very simple problem. Now we will see. So all the information he has given to us. So directly see here how to do the problem. 1 second. So now, so debit side, 2 material issued 20,000, 2 plant purchased 1,60,000, 2 plant installed 50,000. So all the things I have already explained in the question already. So just writing here. So 2 establishment charges 40,000, 2 wages paid 1,40,000 plus accrued 20,000. Total 1,60,000. Direct expenses 6,000. Indirect expenses 14,000. So notional profit will get afterwards. So now credit side by work in progress. So in that work certified 5 lakhs, work uncertified 50,000. Material returned 10,000. Material, see here in contract account we will not write cash received. In contract account we will not write cash received, we will write just work certified. So work uncertified 50,000. Material returned to stores 10,000. Material transferred 30,000. Material on hand 40,000. See, this is important. Plant, opening plant 50,000. On that depreciation, how I got depreciation? On 50,000 20%. So this will be 10,000. 50 minus 10,000 is 40,000. So total credit side 6,70,000. So after deducting all, I got a notional profit of 10,000. So notional profit, again I wrote here, by notional profit brought down, here carried on. So this will be brought down, how much? 40,000 brought down. So from this notional profit, so notional means here imaginary. Why? Because the contract is not totally complete. So this is not, it is not correct to recognize the total profit now itself. So from this notional profit, some will be transferring to profit and loss. So now percentage of completion of contract is equal to work certified by contract price. Work certified by contract price, that is 5 lakh by 10 lakh, it is 50%. So here whenever the contract is 50% completed or more than 50% completed, in that case, so profit transferred to P&L account is net profit, sorry, notional profit into 2 by 3 into cash received. CR means here cash received by work certified. Now, so here profit and loss is equal to notional profit into 2 by 3 into So 1 second. So now simply, so notional profit into 2 by 3 into cash received by work certified. So it is 4 lakh into 2 by 3 into cash received by work certified. So it is, so sorry, 40,000. 40,000 into 2 by 3, it is 2,66,000. Sorry, so 20, it is not 2 lakh, it is 26,667 into 4 lakh by 5 lakh. So this will be 21,333. So 21,333, this amount we have to transfer, this amount we have to transfer to profit and loss account. So I am explaining once again. So 4 lakh into 2 by 3 into 4 lakh by 5 lakh. So notional profit into 2 by 3 into cash received by work certified. So it is 4 lakh by 5 lakh. So ultimate answer is 21,333. So see here now. So from this 40,000, 21,333 we have to transfer to profit and loss account. Balance amount, how I got balance amount means 40,000 minus 21,333. This amount, this balance amount is 18,667. This we have to transfer to work in progress account.